Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be going over how to make some PsyTrance. I guess they're called squelches. You can also call them flourishes. There's like these really trippy things that can occur in a lot of PsyTrance tracks. We're going to be doing it in Serum. There's two different ones that I've encountered, and I'm going to show how to do both of them. So let's look at our basic patch here. Basic patch. Let's hit this little pencil icon and create a square wave. Square waves are very psytrancey. And let's make the ability to adjust the pulse width. Just really easy here. It's right there, and we have basic pulse width control here. And they can go all the way to a pretty much a silent oscillator, which is always useful. I love when synths do that. All right, so this is our square wave. Let's add in a delay so we can hear what we're listening to, and this will kind of, I guess, accentuate what we're doing. So the first kind of PsyTrance flourish or squelch is a bandpass filter. So we'll just go to that. Super fun, super easy. If I can see, bandpass 24. Okay. We'll increase the resonance, increase the drive. And all it is something that just plays around with the cutoff here. And yeah, you hit record, and you can basically record these in as you play your track, and you can make some really cool stuff. Even if you map it to a knob here, you can just go crazy. And the delay will really accentuate it. We'll give it more feedback. Get crazy here. I'm just hitting the notes lower on the keyboard. We can adjust the pulse width as well. And it sounds a bit organic, not a bit organic. And I've always compared these visually as to you can hear like mushrooms sprouting out of the ground in a forest, which is where these things kind of take part. So there is that guy, and that's done with the filter. Now there's a way to kind of accentuate this, and that is with the pitch of the thing. So I'm not gonna use an envelope here. I'm gonna use an LFO as a trigger. So right now I'm using the LFO as an envelope, and I'm going to map this to the it says CRS, which is a very broad pitch, coarse pitch. So it's like pitch, like really wide pitch sort of thing going on. And I'm going to go to the matrix and adjust the pitch type. If I mouse over, it determines whether the destination map's bipolar or unipolar. We want it unipolar. We only want it to go in one direction, which makes sense. All right, so we already have something going on here. I'll bring the pitch down. Bring this up. And it's re-triggering. I don't want that, so we'll turn that off. Select envelope. I don't know why. Select trigger. Envelope. Remember that. And the rate determines the rate on this the cycle of envelope that we have here. And we can adjust the curve amount here. And we can play around with the cutoff as well. So we got the pitch and the filter going on at the same time. That might be a little too low. We'll go up an octave. Sorry. All right. So with this and the cutoff and the pitch going on at the same time, we're getting some really interesting results. And we might want a little bit more feedback, maybe ping pong, and then delay it a little bit. That might not make a whole bunch of difference, but we're getting there. And yeah, it's all about having automation for the cutoff. Maybe give it a bit of drive, a bit more resonance. Right, and you can just have fun. You could do some really interesting things with FM as well. You don't even have to have pulse width modulation. You have bend, or yeah, let's go sync just for something a little bit more obvious. Oh, I want to move the cutoff up. Right? As an example, maybe bend as well. Oh well, no, actually bend doesn't work on square waves. Mirror wouldn't work either, actually. But yeah, we can. Yeah, just you can be your own boss. Work from home in your spare time, and make some PsyTrance stuff. This is what it sounds like. And that is, it reminds me of mushrooms coming out of the ground and like self-oscillating machine elves. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned stuff. Take care and have a good one.